Welcome to the Subhadra News of SNBP International Schools. This initiative marks a breakthrough in school communications. This channel shall telecast exciting news of the schools located in Yerwada, Morwadi, Rahatni and Chikli. It's about students' achievements, teachers' achievements and the school's creative programs. Our schools are renowned as laboratory of experiments, housing a repository of amazing talents. The incredible things that happens here shall blow your minds, and we hope that our institutes shall continue to attract such unique talents from across India. This week's headlines: Inter-School Dance Competition at SNBP School and Junior College, Yerwada. Pre-primary picnic of tiny SNBPians of Rahatni. First send-off of the class 10 students of SNBPIS Morwadi. And SNBPIS Chikli staged its annual sports day. Dance is a form of creation. Dance is a form of expression. And so, SNBP Yerwada organized a dance competition for pre-primary sections to explore the talent of little stars.
SNBP School organized inter-school pre-primary dance competition in Yerwada for the students of senior KG. The theme was Dancing Feet. There were 5 categories of dances: hip-hop, robotic, contemporary, western, and Indian folk.
It's time for Africa.
The guest for the program was famous actor Akshay Bhagat.
This show is like superb. This gives me energy. You people like you children like performing like even I don't know the form like when I used to dance in my school. Even I don't know what is a break dance and what is a folk dance and what is a Bollywood dance. But you people like dancing like crazy and you have those so much guts to perform on the stage, which is very fantastic.
This competition was judged by choreographer Sanjay Sawant.
This is the right age to that. And I'm sure all students, those who have taken the part, will be very good dancers or choreographers or actresses in future because they have that potential and they were enjoying it. That is more important.
Their school participated in the competition and the winner was Kirti School.
It is a great achievement to us, for our kids and our school also.
What an amazing performance from the tiny tots. I am Arya Deshpande with cameraman Shantanu Kadam reporting from SNBP School and Junior College, Yerwada for Subhadra News.
Dancing with the feet is one thing, but dancing with the heart is another. Picnics are always cherished by the students. Pre-primary students from SNBP Kids Zone Rahatni had a wonderful time at Nisarga Kavi Bahina Bai Chaudhary Park, Chinchwad.
Welcome to Nisarga Kavi Chaudhary Zoo, a picnic with my friends. It was a wonderful experience and I enjoyed it thoroughly with my friends. This is reporter Dhruv and cameraman Nandini for Subhadra's new channel.
Don't you think that picnic meals taste better than the usual ones? Well, I do. This month, SNBPIS Morwadi bid farewell to its first batch of 10th CBSE students. Amidst tears and bittersweet goodbyes was the sparkling ray of hope for a new beginning.
Goodbyes are ever so long, remain in our heart like a poignant song. To wish them all the best in their lives apart from all struggles and strifes. SNBP International School Morwadi had its first farewell and send-off of Class 10 students. This farewell was organized by Class 9, which began with the grand welcome where 10th standard lit the candles and moved ahead. This was then followed by dance and songs by Class 9. Few entertaining games were arranged for them. To make it more memorable, school entitled them and gave special awards. The program was made special when 10th standard students shared their experiences and views on school life. They were inspired and motivated by Principal Ma'am and Coordinator Ma'am for their upcoming exams and future.
Dear children, your mind is a powerful thing. If you fill it with positive thoughts, it will start changing your life. On behalf of SNBP International School team, I wish all my dear children best of luck for their forthcoming board exam.
To me, you all are amazing. You are important. You are unique. You are special. You all will be very close to my heart always. Follow your heart, but always take the brain along. Remember, children, you are the creator of your own destiny. Believe in yourself, because believing yourself means everything is possible. I wish you all the best for the upcoming exam.
It was an emotional and very heart-touching moment for teachers as well as students to say goodbye. I, Ved Bilaskar, with camera person Isha, reporting from SNBP IS Morwadi for Subhadra News.
These are the memories that make school life so special. SNBP IS Chikli organized its annual sports day where the students actively participated in sports to break the records.
SNBP International School firmly believes that it is not only a paper pencil test that fosters individual growth, but games and sports also play a significant role in the development of a child's personality. The event started with a house parade followed by an oath-taking ceremony by the head boy for the practice of sportsmanship and fair play in sports. The students displayed a wide variety of vibrant activities like martial arts. Self-defense is the best mechanism that we can apply to protect ourselves from danger in today's world. Book balancing. Balancing is an uphill task, but our enthralling and tiny SNBPians carried out the book balancing activity with ease. Collecting articles. Here we can see our beautiful tiny tots enjoying the act of picking articles and taking them to the finishing point. Running race, sack race, relay race, and various fun activities. The honorable guests to grace this occasion were Mrs. Nina Bhalla, the principal of SNBP International School Morwadi, and Mr. Firoz Sheikh, our physical education director. Parents also enthusiastically participated in the sports day. Success doesn't come to us easily. It has to be achieved through hard work, determination, diligence and patience. The students' effort and the teachers' dedication made this event a grand success. I am Piyush Singh with cameraman Parth Pawar from SNBP International School, Chikli for Subhadra News.
Let us remember, good players inspire themselves and great players inspire others. Thank you for watching Subhadra News. It is always so exciting to relay the weekly news and make it live. I am Dhruv Sharma with camera person Shraddha from SNBP IS Morwadi signing off for Subhadra News. Watch us on the school website. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with your family and friends. May the world witness the progress of SNBPians, breaking conventions along the way.